What's going on YouTube? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. We got cases for the all new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and these are the Cosmo line. Let's check them out.
For old time's sake.
So this is the full lineup of cases from i-Blason. This is their Cosmo lineup. You notice you got the purple, you got the pink up top, and you got the two blue variants. So I actually have the Blue Beast. This is the one that you get from Best Buy. I got the background to actually match these cases. So let's go ahead and try some of these on. Now we know that i-Blason makes some of the most stylish cases out there, and I want the ladies to pay attention because mainly this video is going to be for you guys. So here we go. We got the purple right here. It's nice and shiny. You get that nice pattern on the back. You get your Cosmo logo right down here at the bottom. You get your precise cutout for your camera. Now this case actually comes in two separate pieces. So we're going to pop that out. And what we're going to do next is slide that on the front, just like so. So it clips right down on the front. So if you take a look at that, you get a nice edge all the way around right here. It's nice and raised, no issues. Let's go ahead and pop it down in the bottom part of the case. So these cases are going to actually offer 360 degrees of protection for this phone, guys. Make sure that it snaps all the way in, and this is what you get. You get a beautiful case, nice and shiny, nice hard edge, nice hard edge. You're not gonna have to worry about scratches, dings, breaks, cracks, anything with these edges. Screen, I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm gonna drop it. Screen is not gonna be damaged because of those raised edges going around. You get your i-Blason branding right over here. Precise cutouts up top, looks good. And down bottom, everything is nice and open. Easy access for that S Pen. There we go. Pull that out, nice and easy. Buttons on this side, all line up, nice and tactile. Hear the clicks. I don't want to click that one too much because that's my power button. But then over on this side, we know that it is bare, nothing on that side. So this is actually the purple variant. What I'm going to do now is just try on the rest of them. I don't have to explain. I just want to try them on just to show you guys what they look like. Stay tuned. And boom, there you go. Make sure that it locks all the way around. And there you have it. That's the blue. That's the Cosmo. Next, we got the pink. Same thing. Just gonna crack it down there. Lay the top on just like that. Pop all these edges down in. Go back to my home screen. And there we go. Once again, you get that nice pink variant right there. Make sure it snaps in, and once again everything lines up, no issues whatsoever. Last but not least, this is our last blue variant. Still has the paper on it. Let's go ahead and get that off, and it still has some tape on it down here. Pop all that off, put it to the side. There we go. Same case, guys. I just want to go ahead and try them all on just to show you what they look like. There we go. Nice blue color for you ladies to rock. Now these cases actually also come for the Note 10 as well. Same exact case lineup, just a smaller variant. Now I do want to do one more thing before we go. That is our wireless charging test. So we got a case on here. We want to make sure that we can wirelessly charge. I'm gonna turn my volume all the way up. Got that up. Media, everything goes up. And I'm gonna lay this down. Let's see if we get the noise. There we go. We got the wireless charging, but let's make sure that we have a wireless fast charge. So I'm gonna turn the screen off. I'm gonna hold this up for you guys so you can see it. And it does say fast charging down here. It's on the always on display. Fast charge, wireless. There we go. So fast charge is working. Fast charge is a go, even with these cases on. So the cases are not going to hinder your ability to wirelessly fast charge at all. So there is one thing that I forgot to mention. One feature that everybody's going to be worried about is that reverse wireless charging. So I want to actually activate that, and I actually have I have the blue case on here right now. So I'm going to activate the wireless power share, slide these to the side. I'm going to sit this down, and I actually have my trusty Note 8, has a case on it. And it is charging. So it charges between two cases as of right now. Now, neither one of these cases are very thick. This is a Unicorn Beetle Style by Subcase, and this is Cosmo by i-Blason, but the cases are not that thick that they're gonna hinder the actual wireless power share. I'm gonna do it one more time just so you guys can see. There we go. So charging, so the wireless power share does work case to case on these two particular phones and cases. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I'm going to drop a link below so you can go and check these out for yourself. This is the i-Blason Cosmo lineup for the all-new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And remember, they make the exact same case for the Galaxy Note 10. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.